Japan's digital asset market is rapidly evolving, while domestic exchanges are strictly enforcing boundaries against global prediction markets. Foreign giants are launching aggressive new product strategies. The experimental phase is over. We are now in the era of real-world execution. Welcome to episode 86 of Japan Digital Asset Weekly. I'm Keisuke, CEO of Wakyodo and a venture partner at Doreen Capital. On July 13th and 14th, Tokyo will host Asia's massive global blockchain conference, WebX. More than 15,000 attendees will gather to witness the organic integration of digital assets and traditional finance. Today, we are breaking down 3 critical hot topics that reveal the deep structural shifts happening right now in Japan. If you are a global founder attending WebX or planning your Japan market entry, you need to understand these developments. Let's start with our first topic, a massive strategic move by Binance Japan. On July 1st, they executed a highly calculated leadership change. Takeshi Chino, the compliance expert who successfully navigated the strict licensing process with the Financial Services Agency, transitioned to honorary chairman. The new CEO is Arisa Toyosaki, a former derivatives trader and the founder of Sega Finance, a massive decentralized option trading protocol. This leadership change is an internal strategic shift, but it perfectly illustrates the textbook model for foreign exchanges succeeding in Japan. First, you build an uncompromising compliance foundation. Now the foundation is set. Binance Japan is shifting to aggressive product-led growth. This is fueled by their capital alliance with PayPay, Japan's digital payment giant with over 70 million users. They recently launched a feature allowing instant pre-funding of Binance accounts using PayPay balances. Under Toyosaki's leadership, we expect to see advanced yield products and seamless integration with Japan's massive retail payment ecosystem. Our second topic is the sweeping leadership change at the JVCEA, Japan's primary self-regulatory organization. Satoshi Hasu, chairman of Coincheck, was appointed as the new chairman. But the most strategic move is the appointment of Yosuke Shiraishi as senior managing director. Shiraishi has deep political connections and has been a shadow architect in the ruling party's digital asset project team. Why is this important? Because Japan is preparing to transition its digital asset regulations entirely under the Financial Instrument and Exchange Act. This means digital assets will be regulated just like traditional securities. The JVC is no longer just a defensive compliance body. It is transforming into an aggressive lobbying force capable of negotiating directly with politicians and regulators to secure favorable frameworks for derivatives and institutional adoption. Our third topic highlights Japan's strict legal boundaries. Recently, bitbank, a major domestic exchange, issued a severe warning. If users are caught transferring funds to decentralized prediction markets like Polymarket, their accounts will be completely frozen to outsiders. This looks like an anti-innovation move. But under Japanese law, betting on certain future events using stablecoins perfectly meets the legal definition of gambling, which is criminal offense under the penal code. This applies not just to the platforms, but directly to the users. Global prediction markets maximize accuracy and liquidity by remaining permissionless, but they sacrifice legality in strict jurisdictions like Japan. Bitbank's severe warning is a necessary self-defense measure to protect their exchange license from regulatory backlash. In Japan, compliance is non-negotiable. Here's Wakyodo's take on these developments. To a global observer, strict warnings against prediction markets might make Japan seem overly conservative, but the reality is the exact opposite. This absolute clarity in the rules is exactly why massive corporate giants like PayPay, SBI, and Sony are comfortably deploying billions of dollars into blockchain infrastructure. In Japan, clear regulations are the foundation of true mass adoption. The process of global players like Binance integrating with domestic payment rails, while self-regulatory bodies actively shape future laws, is the exact blueprint for institutional success. If you're attending WebX 2026 next week, or if you're planning your APAC expansion, you must navigate this delicate balance of compliance and product innovation. Visit wakyodo.co.jp to learn about our Japan Lead as a Service and how we can facilitate your strategic partnerships with Japanese institutions. Thank you for watching and see you next Monday.